Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and firmware. This matters because menus and limits differ. Next, remove power-sensitive items, set parking brake, and disconnect negative battery terminal for safety. Once done, pry trim gently using a plastic tool to expose the dash cluster, work from one corner, and move slowly to avoid clips. Make sure to keep screws and clips in a labeled container so reassembly is seamless. These early steps get you into the system without damage. You now access the display color controls. Go to Settings, Display, then Lighting or Theme. Different menus hold color presets and RGB sliders. If your car has physical buttons, use the dash dimmer and menu button to toggle options. Press and hold to enter advanced mode. For deeper customization, connect a compatible OBD interface or manufacturer app. This unlocks RGB values and saved profiles. Make sure to record original settings before changing so you can always revert if the new look is too bright or distracting. You finish by saving the new color profile and testing it in both day and night conditions. This confirms contrast and readability. Refit trim panels, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and verify the instrument cluster shows no warning lights. If colors behave oddly or settings won't stick, reset the display settings first, then reflash firmware or restore the original profile you saved earlier. These steps usually fix glitches. If problems persist, consult dealer diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.